find the name of the company. Find the name of the company whose symbol is Cairn. Will I be able to find out? So I will do H lookup. My lookup value is Cairn. And table array, okay, this is where I am going to look up, and I will go up. But the moment as I go up, it has become B1 to J2. That means the Cairn will be searched in the first row. So it is not going to work. Right? So that means in case of H lookup, if you are interested in searching for something which is above, it cannot work. It will work only when you are searching for the values below. If you are searching for values above, it is not going to work. Okay. So what to be done? So again, match and index will come to our rescue. So what does match, how the match will come to our rescue? Let's see. So see, we are interested in searching for Cairn. So let's say this is our lookup value Cairn. And where is the lookup array? This is our array. We are starting with B2, ending in J2. Okay. Even though you can say, sir, I2 has Cairn value. Please note that because the data will be very large, I will not be able to see. So we have to start from the first and go to the end. So B2 to J2 is my lookup array. And what is my match type? Exact match. So it has given 8. Now what is this 8? See, our column, our thing is starting from B to J. So B2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. So it has given me the location, column location of Cairn. Okay, so match has given me the column location of Cairn. Okay. Now, what I will do is I have to just use index, and I say that to the index, let this is the array. Okay. And I want to know the value of the 8th column. So what I will do is I will select this full end and I'll say 8. Note that even though you may be thinking I'm putting in the row num, because Excel is very smart. It will understand, okay, B1 to J1 at the moment I have done, it is saying that it is not actually row num, it is column num. That's why I said that I will cover this later. So this index works for both column as well as row. So if you give 8 for a row, it will automatically understand it is a column. Okay. So in Excel, anything which is in the square bracket, it means optional. So this means optional. Okay. So the moment you give 8 for a row, it will understand that as a column and it will think this as an option. So now actually your work is on this array, give the 8th column value. Okay. So let's see what it does. See, it has given me Cairn India. It has given me the correct value here. Okay. Because our thing was we are starting with B. Okay. If you are starting with A, there may be a problem. Okay. Just 1 minute. Okay. So what we are doing is instead of B1, if I do A1, what will happen? See, it will give me Bharti Airtel. Why? It will Bharti Airtel because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the Bharti Airtel. Because you are starting from the A1. But your search here was starting from B2. So please ensure that those are in sync. So let's say here we change and we say we are starting from B1. So we get Cairn India. But again, how do we do it in one? So we'll copy this formula, match, and we delete this 8 and we paste it here. So I use Control C, Control V. So please ensure that these are matching. B, I am starting with B. Here also I should start with B because this is row wise. So don't worry about 1 and 2. Here you should worry about the column should be the same. The column are same and you will get the correct answer. Cairn India. Right? So see this. using match index, it does the work of VLOOKUP also, it does the work of HLOOKUP also, and also it does not face any issue. That is, you can go up. In case of VLOOKUP, you can go to the left. Right? So I would say that you should command this match index. Okay. You may initially think that writing it in one cell is difficult. That's why I'm saying you can write it in 2 cells, but as you get used to it, like you will write like this, index first, always write index first, and always think what is the output you want. Here you want the output, this is your output row. So first you have written the output row, then you say, okay, match. What is the match you are doing? Your lookup value is kern. And where you are looking for kern is in this. And what is your match type? 0. And close the 2 brackets. See, it will come. Right? So it is like a matter of practice. Okay, you can do a match and index in one go.